For my ENME 351 final project, I've created a laundry alert system that uses a force-sensitive resistor here to sense the weight of a laundry basket filled with clothes using this teaspoon here that goes over the resistor like so. Then the force-sensitive resistor sends a reading to the Arduino, which then lights up 5 green LEDs followed by 1 red LED, which when activated sends a signal to the servo motor, which plays a note on a guitar.
Go ahead and take some out.
This is my Arduino code, where at the beginning I declare each of my input pins, as well as the initial position of the servo motor. In the setup, I start my serial monitor printing at 9600 baud, and in the loop, I use a series of if statements to turn on each LED, and then within this if statement here, I use a for loop and pulse width modulation in order to actuate my servo motor. Then I additionally have several if statements in order to turn each LED off. Here's my processing code that produces a rectangle that changes in both height and color as the force on the resistor increases. Ultimately, when the force reaches a critical value, the processing produces a JPEG. Laundry time.